What happens to me after I quit smoking cigarettes? After 50 years of smoking very heavy, I quit cold turkey. What happens to my body now? Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your health, and the benefits begin almost immediately. Here are some of the changes you can expect to see in your body after quitting smoking. 1. Improved circulation. Within just a few hours of quitting, your blood pressure and pulse rate will return to normal. This can help improve blood flow to your hands and feet, which may have been compromised due to smoking. 2. Better breathing. Your lung function will improve within the first few weeks of quitting, and you may notice that you're able to breathe more easily. This can be especially noticeable when you're physically active. 3. Improved sense of smell and taste. Within a few days to a few weeks of quitting, you may notice that your sense of smell and taste improves. This can make food taste better and may make you more interested in trying new flavors. 4. Reduced risk of heart attack and stroke. Quitting smoking can significantly reduce your risk of heart attack and stroke. The risk of these events decreases significantly within the first year of quitting, and continues to decrease over time. 5. Increased energy. As your body becomes accustomed to being smoke-free, you may notice that you have more energy and endurance. This can make it easier to be physically active, which can also contribute to improved health. Keep in mind that quitting smoking can be challenging, and it's normal to experience cravings and other withdrawal symptoms. It may take several attempts to successfully quit, but the benefits are well worth it. If you're having trouble quitting on your own, don't be afraid to seek help from a healthcare professional or support group.